Okay, I'm just going to start. So I'm sharing my screen and stopping the video. Okay, so right here I have 13b, numbers 16 through 18. Draw the line R, and that's at 2y equals negative x minus 2. So the first thing I need to do is make sure that that's in slope-intercept form. So it's close, and you might be tempted to say that it is, but it's not because there's a 2 in front of that y. So you need to make sure that you change it. So we're going to say that if we divide everything by that 2, then y will be by itself, and this equation will be in slope-intercept form. So y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1. So now we can plot this easily. We go to negative 1, that's our y-intercept, and then negative 1/2 means we go up 1 and then backwards 2. Or you could say down 1 and forwards 2. So that's our line. Okay, and then the next one, draw this line. It is in slope-intercept form because y is all by itself. So we start at negative 3, and then we go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. And so we can see this line is our S line, and where do they intersect? Whoops, let's change that back. Okay, they intersect right here, and that's at the point 1, 2, negative 2. So it's at the point 2, negative 2. All right, and then I love this question since you guys are always asking, when are we going to use this in real life? So here we go. Number 17 and 18 on 13C. So it says Mario's car has a 16-gallon tank. He left for a 4-day round trip. He left at 7:45 and arrived at 2:15 after driving 338 miles. So we know that he drove 338 miles, and we know how long he drove if we subtract. So from 7:45 a.m. to 2:15 p.m. So what I'm going to do is say from 7:45 to 8:45, from 8:45 to 9:45, 9:45 to 10:45, 10:45 to 11:45, 11:45 to 12:45, 12:45 to 1:45, and from 1:45 to 2:15 is 30 minutes. So here I was keeping track of the hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 hours and 30 minutes. If we want to write that in all hours, we would say 6.5 or 6.5 hours. If he drove 338 miles in 6.5 hours, what was his average speed in miles per hour? Per means division. So 338 miles per, or divided by, the 6.5 hours. So now we just divide that out. 338 divided by 6.5 is going to give us 52 miles per hour. So that's his average speed. And then it says when he left, he had a full tank of gas. At the end of the day, it took 13 gallons to refill his tank. How many miles per gallon did he get? Okay, so first we have to determine how many gallons he used. It said at the beginning that he had a 16-gallon tank, but that's really not what we care about. If it starts at full and it goes down, at the end of the day, he has to put 13 gallons in to refill it, then it doesn't matter what was still left at the end. He used 13 gallons for the day. And we're looking at miles per gallon. So miles is 338 miles, and then divided by 13 gallons. So 338 divided by 13 is 26 miles per gallon.